So today we will be going over how to add a document to your calendar and share it with others. So first things first is that you open your Google Calendar, then you select the day, let's say the 31st, which is a Tuesday of September, or 21st, my bad, and click here. You then go to more options, and it is here that you can put your title. Let's just say Denise. Here you add your guest. Okay, and you can then add your description or your times if you want the meeting to repeat or not. And where you add your documents is right here on the paperclip, and you can then click your document that you would like to share, and you select that, and it is now uploaded. So you then click save, and for this we're not going to send it out, but if you want to send it out to your guest, then you would just click send. And that is how you share a document.